Chicken McNugget Hicks. You're ungrounded. I am going to pull the fire alarm, so I'm going to do it right now. Ha 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 ha. Sterling, what are you doing? I'm going to pull the fire alarm, so for that. Sterling, you should know that pulling the fire alarm is against the rules and it's going to get you arrested. I'm taking you to the principal's office now. So, Chick Hicks, what did you do this time? Not me. Sterling pulled the fire alarm and now I try to stop. He tried to pull the fire alarm, so I'm going to stop him. Oh my God, Chick Hicks. Thank you for letting me know. You may go back to your class while I'll deal with Sterling. As for you, Sterling, for trying to pull the fire alarm, you are suspended for the rest of the day. Go home right now while I call Cruz Ramirez. After when I call Cruz Ramirez, I will call Lightning McQueen and Mater to unground him. Chicken McNugget Hicks, we are so proud of you for stopping Sterling by pulling the fire alarm. That's it. You're ungrounded forever. Yeah. And as for you you'll be allowed to go to Chuck E. Cheese's with Jackson Storm and Miles Axelrod. You can do whatever you want. Go to Chuck E. Cheese right now. Thanks, McQueen. Thanks, Mater. And thanks, Cruz. Yeah, you're welcome. And as for you, Sterling, how dare you try to pull the fire alarm? You know, pulling the fire alarm is very dangerous, and it's going to get you arrested for that. That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks, and during that time, you will not play Fortnite or go to Disney World during that time. Go to your room right now, or else we'll send you to North Korea. Fine. Screw you guys. And don't you dare talk like that to us either.